midst of the storm.
When you're crying for all the times you've tried, and you're trying to forget the tears you've cried. You've seen so much pain and sorrow, you don't know about tomorrow, but you can have peace in the midst of a storm. You can find peace in the midst of a storm. You can find hope when you just can't go on anymore. Well, there's love to be found when your whole world's tumbling down. You can find peace in the midst of the storm. Sometimes I feel like I know you feel, and my heart's reaching out for something that I know is real. Then His love comes to me, and it helps my mind to be in peace in the midst of a storm. You can find peace